don't know. The turbos, my intakes just started spooling louder. I don't know if y'all can like y'all let me know. Bro, maybe it's deja vu, bro. It's like my first turbo vehicle. I don't know. But the car definitely does feel a lot more sluggish than it did before. But my gas mileage sucks buns now. Bro, I used to get like 19. Bro, did someone just down? What's it called? Downshift too far? But I just learned, I don't know, this probably should have been common sense. If I stay around like 2,000, 3,000 RPM, and I'm like in third gear, and like I slowly step on it, like you can hear the turbo spools instantly. It's like no, like you hear the spooling instantly. So I'll probably get a clip of that right now, so I can really hear that. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Ever since I got these intakes installed, the car feels sluggish, bro. Bro, I don't know. Ever since I got this, bro, I thought the heat exchanger open. I don't know if it's the intakes, bro. It's just I'm not getting much airflow. I don't know what's going on. It feels real sluggish. I don't know if it's because I need a tune. I don't remember the car feeling like this, bro. I don't know. Maybe I need a tune. Could be tripping. Bro, the car felt faster when it was stock. Like, I stepped on the gas pedal, I think it would move. But now, I feel like, I don't know, bro. Bro. I don't know, it don't feel right. Maybe with the intakes, I need to be tuned. But, I mean, it's a 2.5 housing, though. Maybe the 2.5, I don't know, bro. Why does it feel like this? It don't feel right. It don't feel like the Red Sport, bro. I literally feel like I got like a regular 3.0 T that's not tuned. Bro, I got a Red Sport. It didn't. Bro. Point is, bro, it didn't feel like this before. I don't know. I'm about to come out. God, I did it. You gotta see, man. Anyways, y'all, cruising with the homie. We about to go. What's it called? Wash our cars real quick, and then flick up. We're probably gonna go to like the garage to take some quick flicks. We'll see, bro. We'll see. Look at this cigarette right here, though. It's nice. That's ISO. Bro, I don't even know how much that thing charged me. I like swiped it twice. Getting POV drive with the homies. I don't know where to go. Should I go straight? I gotta go this way. Straight, 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 straight. Bro, like, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of hating on Booster 6 for like how it sounds, but like the more I learn how to drive the car, you can hear like you can hear the spools a lot better. You see the homies back there? Damn, bro, I gotta lower my Q. But the Q looks so good when it's lowered. Text Edwin, let's just get Chick-fil-A. I'm going to Chick-fil-A.
Sending to Edwin. Let's just get Chick-fil-A. I'm going to Chick-fil-A.
Send it. You're not gonna send it? Did it send? Don't worry guys, I'm an expert. Alright, I sent it. Bro, I need to get exhaust next. MBRP is the only way. Bro, this front tint is mad dark. Can you hear it? Why he just poo-poo on me? We got the other Q behind me. Bro, that guy's, my man's BMW's diesel. It's crazy. I'm gonna start, hold on, what do you say? Let's see if we could take it onto Gapplebee's in the way. sec. We're probably going to end the video right here though, since we about to get to where we going. If I do like the video, man, like, subscribe, do all of that. Helps me out a lot. I hope y'all like the video. Okay, see you in the next one.